Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to remove gel polish using your drill bit. And so the nail machine that I'll be using today is Delanie's nail drill machine. I got this off of Amazon for about $24, so it's very inexpensive and it is beginner friendly. I won't be talking throughout the full video, but I hope you all enjoyed this video so that you all can truly learn how to properly remove gel polish from your nails. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you know when I'm always posting.